If you're looking for dog toys no stuffing, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets lovers' most popular dog toys no stuffing. Number 1, most popular, by ZippyPaws. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Ethical Pet. Number 3, by Multipet. For more dog toys no stuffing, just click this circle. Number 4, by Ethical Pets. Number 5, by ZippyPaws. Find these dog toys no stuffing at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Ethical Pet. Number 7, by ZippyPaws. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Spot. Number 9, by Jealousy. Discover more dog toys no stuffing ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Ethical Pet.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.